how to see or how to find all the groups you have ever created on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find all the groups you have ever created on your Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app and here click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon beside the search icon up there. Now again, scroll down and click on your time on Facebook. Now all you need to do is wait a minute. If doesn't work, go back and click again on your time on Facebook until they show you a list, which is this list, and click on see time. Now all you need to do is click on see activity log. Scroll down until you find groups, communities, events, and reels. Click on it and they're gonna show you your groups or communities, activity, event, plus reels you have ever created and more. And they're gonna show you here the list, and you can also like delete all this or archive it. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.